Welcome, welcome, welcome. This is a new DJ Wilson video showing some more amazing STEM related stuff, right? So this time we're going to get into some programming into some HTML and CSS. I want to kind of take this kind of slow. Um, and this is kind of made for my class because there's some basic things that I've already showed you how to do, but this is just some reminders on how to. All right, so let's do this. All right, let's do this like Brutus. Ever wonder where that phrase came from? Anyway, we'll get on that later. So I'm going to start a basic program, right? We're using the software Replit. And what's really cool about Replit is a lot of the things that you already need, it already puts in here for you. Like it already has your index, well, one of your index pages, your script, and it also has a CSS page already built in, right? And so for what we're doing right now, we're kind of just really just going to get into some basics as far as adding a couple tags into your work and where to add those tags. Okay, so obviously you have your, oops, didn't mean to do that. You have your basic tags over here, or your basic files over here. You have your workspace, and then you have what your page is going to look like. Okay, so inside your body, we're going to mainly start in the body of our document. This is where we're going to start putting some of the tags that we would use in our document, which is getting just some basic ones, right? So we'll do like an H1 tag. So H1, obviously we know that is the largest type of header, right? Oops, H1. What we'll do is within the H1 tag, let's say the world is not enough. Okay? And then when we run this, we'll notice that this automatically pops up on our screen. So if we wanted to, this is basic how you add your tags. You have your opening tag and you have your closing tag, and then whatever you put in the middle is going to be displayed. Now, if I wanted to, I could add a paragraph format. So let's open up with a paragraph tag, right? And then this is the name of a James Bond movie. Okay. And then that would end up showing on our pages. And again, there's a lot of different things that you can do with this. If I wanted to, I could create I could write a poem. Jack, oops, let me do it this way. So Jack and Jill went up a hill to fetch a pail of water. All right, so one of the cool things that you can do, right, is that I got so focused with typing. One of the things that you can do, oh wait, it's just all sorts of weird stuff in there. Okay, I think that'll work. One of the also things that you can do within your work is just say you wanted to add different breaks. So just say if I wanted Jack and Jill went up a hill to be on one line and to fetch a pail of water to be on the second line, what I can do, and I think we also talked about this in class, you can add a BR tag. BR stands for break, right? And for breaks, you don't really need an open and close. You just can add just a BR. And then it will put that down on the second line. So a break is actually pretty cool because you can add all sorts of breaks within your work. But again, this is basic tags, right? On the next video, what we'll do is we'll show you how to start to add some images in different formatting, and actually we'll do some style work. Yeah, I like styles. All right. So with that, thanks for watching, and y'all come back now, you hear?